Welcome to the exciting world of integrating nature into economic models, where our journey begins with the fascinating concept of natural capital. Imagine standing on a bridge between two realms, the vibrant, dynamic world of ecosystems and the structured, quantitative universe of macroeconomic models. This course will serve as your guide across that bridge, introducing you to the profound impact that nature can have on our understanding and implementation of economic strategies. To kick off our exploration, let's dive into what we mean by natural capital. Picture natural capital as the world's stock of natural resources, which includes geology, soil, air, water, and all living organisms. It's the foundation upon which human life and economies are built. Just as financial capital can yield interest, natural capital can produce a flow of goods and services. These range from tangible products like timber and water to essential services such as carbon sequestration, pollination of crops, and the regulation of climate and disease. Understanding natural capital is crucial because it allows us to recognize the true value of the ecosystems we often take for granted. Traditionally, economic models have overlooked these contributions, treating nature as an infinite resource or an externality. However, by integrating natural capital into macroeconomic models, we can create more accurate and sustainable economic strategies that reflect the true costs and benefits of our interactions with the environment. Let's consider an example: the Amazon rainforest. Beyond its obvious role as a biodiversity hotspot, the Amazon functions as a massive carbon sink, absorbing millions of tons of carbon dioxide annually. If we consider this ecosystem's natural capital, the value of its carbon sequestration service is immense, influencing global climate regulation and consequently global economic stability. By incorporating such functions into economic models, policymakers can assess the long-term impacts of deforestation and guide more sustainable land use decisions. Similarly, think about fisheries. Oceans are a key source of food and employment. However, overfishing has pushed many fish stocks to the brink of collapse. When natural capital is undervalued, the economic models guiding fishing policies may fail to account for the depletion of fish populations. By acknowledging the regenerative capacity of fish stocks, a critical aspect of natural capital, economic models can help craft policies that balance immediate economic benefits with sustainable yields, ensuring that fisheries' ecological and economic health is maintained for future generations. The integration of natural capital into economic models doesn't just stop at recognizing value. It involves quantifying and incorporating these values into the economic equations and frameworks that guide decision-making. This requires interdisciplinary collaboration, drawing on fields like ecology, economics, and environmental science to develop methodologies for valuing ecosystem services in monetary terms. For instance, economists might work with ecologists to estimate the economic value of wetland services, such as flood protection and water purification, translating these benefits into data that can be factored into national accounts and policy decisions. Incorporating natural capital into macroeconomic models also involves rethinking how we measure economic progress. Traditional indicators like GDP often fail to account for environmental degradation or resource depletion. By contrast, measures that include natural capital, such as Genuine Progress Indicator or Inclusive Wealth Index, provide a more comprehensive picture of economic health, reflecting how well a country is managing its natural resources alongside its financial and manufactured assets. This shift towards nature-integrated economics is not just about improving our analytical tools, it's about changing our perspective on growth and prosperity. It invites us to ask more profound questions about what constitutes wealth and progress. Are we advancing if our economic activities come at the cost of depleting our natural resources? Can we redefine success to include the health of our ecosystems and the services they provide? As we delve deeper into the intricacies of natural capital, it's essential to consider the role of policy innovation. Policymakers are increasingly recognizing the importance of integrating environmental health into economic planning. This has led to the development of policies that aim to balance economic growth with environmental sustainability, such as carbon pricing, conservation incentives, and green infrastructure investments. By incorporating natural capital into these policies, governments can create environments where economies thrive without compromising the ecosystems that underpin them. As we establish this foundational understanding of natural capital and its integration into macroeconomic models, we're setting the stage for a broader discussion on how these concepts can transform economic policy and practice. This isn't just a theoretical exercise, it's a practical approach to crafting a future where economies and ecosystems thrive together. By recognizing and valuing the natural world in our economic models, we can make informed decisions that support sustainable development and ensure the well-being of future generations.